Hey Fantastics, welcome back to my channel. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ guys. So in today's video we are making Kanufa chocolate, the viral Dubai chocolate. So I'm literally so excited, you guys. So many of you guys have commented and literally I wanted to try it too. I literally love chocolate. So let's start. So for that you have to take milk chocolate or you can take dark chocolate also. So first we'll melt the chocolates. So you can melt them in microwave or you can melt it in double boiling. I am melting them by double boiling method. So you guys can literally just make a double boiler and let it boil or let it melt. And if you are melting your chocolate in microwave, make sure you only melt for 10-second intervals and mix the chocolate, keep on mixing the chocolate. So yeah, in between 10 seconds you should mix your chocolate thoroughly, and that's how you'll get a very shiny chocolate that will crack. So yeah, now as you guys can see, our chocolate is melted, and now like this I'm mixing my chocolate, and you have to mix your chocolate like that too. Make sure to mix your chocolate in between 10 seconds of intervals. And yeah, and the next step will be putting this melted chocolate into a mold. You guys can take any mold. I've taken this one because it has like coffee bean shape and it's really cute. I literally have to take everyone's help in my family. Like literally this chocolate was so like easy to make, but still it has so many steps. So here's my mom helping me spread the chocolate, and you have to spread it evenly, making sure that you have space for the pistachio filling. And in between your filling sessions, you need to keep this mold in fridge so that each and individual layer can solidify differently. So you have to first after I've spread this, then I've just kept it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. And now let's take some butter and melt it. I'm literally just eyeballing, you guys. I have a recipe, I'll give you guys in the comments, but I have eyeballed the recipe according to however much ingredients I have. So yeah, make sure to melt this butter completely, and when it starts getting golden, you can add your sevai, because we don't have kataifi here in India. So I'm taking this roasted sevai. It will literally just do the same, you guys. It will turn out super nice. So make sure you just roast until it's done golden brown. This thing goes into the pistachio filling, as I think you guys might know. So now it's done. Let's move on to the next part, which is making the pistachio filling. So here we are taking California pistachios. So again, I'm not sure about the amount. I've taken a whole bag, if that helps. So let's just pour. And you just blend it like that. And it doesn't turn out like that creamy buttery pistachio cream. It does not. Can you guys see? Oh my god, that literally looks like store-bought, you guys, but I made it. I've added a little bit of water in between, like 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and also I've added this much of milk made. So yeah, I've literally just added a little bit. So yeah, you guys can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk made. Now let's mix our filling. So mix that pistachio butter or pistachio cream into roasted sevai, and literally guys, it tastes so good. Oh my god. Even the making process of this chocolate is so satisfying, you guys. That's why I made a whole video for you guys to enjoy. So as you guys can see, you have to combine it super nicely, and this is how it looks when it's done. So as you guys can see, the chocolate is fully set, and now we are going to start filling this up. Literally, it's so hard, but I've taken my mother's help in this as well, because like I tried, like, can you guys see, I tried here, but yeah, while my mom was filling it, I was doing an ASMR test for you guys. So yeah, listen. I was just making sure that our filling turned out to be crunchy, but it was crunchy as you guys hear. So now I'll just, add the top chocolate layer. I have kept this in fridge for the pistachio layer to set for like half an hour. And after that, I am going with the top layer of chocolate, and make sure you spread it evenly. And last but not the least, the pistachio garnish. It literally looked so good, you guys. Oh my god. I literally am hungry as I'm doing the voiceover for you guys, but yeah, now you guys just enjoy this. Oh my god. It's just so satisfying, you guys. Like, can you guys see how perfect this chocolate turned out? Like, even the filling and the chocolate layers are so perfect, you guys. Oh my god. Can you guys hear that crunch? Like, wow, that chocolate snap. This just makes, perfect chocolate. Okay, now I am doing an ASMR of eating this chocolate. So enjoy. As you guys can see, I literally love this chocolate, and oh my god, it was so good and so satisfying to eat. So if you guys have liked this video, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you are new in our fantastic fam. So yeah, fantastics, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll soon see you with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.